Over 70% of engine failures could have been prevented with the right oil choice. Yet most drivers still get it wrong, and the cost isn't small. We're talking $4,000 to $7,000 in engine repairs, all because of a few myths about synthetic oil. You've probably heard mechanics argue about it. Some swear by it. Others say it's a scam. But here's the truth. Synthetic oil can either double the lifespan of your engine or quietly destroy it if you believe the wrong advice. Stick with me, because in this video I'll expose the secrets oil companies don't want you to know. I'll show you how experts and manufacturers really view synthetic oil. And I'll bust the 5 biggest myths drivers still fall for. And the bonus tip at the end? It's the difference between a smooth-running engine and one that dies before 150,000 miles. Myth number 1. Synthetic oil is just marketing hype. Many drivers still think synthetic oil is just regular oil with a fancy label and higher price tag. But that couldn't be further from the truth. According to the Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, and the American Petroleum Institute, API, synthetic oil is engineered at a molecular level. Unlike conventional oil, which is refined from crude and still contains impurities, synthetic oil molecules are uniform and consistent. That means fewer deposits, better resistance to heat, and stronger protection under stress. Think about it this way. Conventional oil is like unfiltered tap water. It works, but it carries minerals and debris. Synthetic oil is like purified bottled water, designed to be clean, consistent, and safe for long-term use. Why it matters to you? Engines today run hotter and faster than they did 20 years ago. Turbochargers can reach 200,000 RPM, and oil temperatures can spike past 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Conventional oil breaks down in those conditions. Synthetic oil doesn't. That's why nearly every new BMW, Mercedes, Toyota, and Honda rolls off the factory line filled with synthetic, not conventional. Myth number 2. Synthetic oil causes leaks in old engines. This one has been around forever, and it scares people into sticking with cheap oil. The claim is that synthetic oil is too slippery and will seep through seals in older engines. But let's get real. The truth is that synthetic oil doesn't cause leaks. It reveals them. Here's why. Conventional oil is thicker, and it leaves behind sludge that can temporarily seal tiny cracks or hardened gaskets. When you switch to synthetic, the cleaning detergents in it dissolve that sludge. Suddenly, the leak that was already there becomes visible. That's not synthetic oil creating a problem. It's exposing one you needed to fix anyway. Ask any ASE certified mechanic and they'll tell you, if an engine leaks on synthetic, it was already leaking. Pro tip from veteran mechanics. If you're switching an older car to synthetic, inspect your valve cover gaskets, oil pan gasket, and rear main seal first. Replace worn seals, then switch confidently. Thousands of drivers have extended their engines well past 200,000 miles with synthetic after fixing those small leaks early. Myth number 3. You can go 15,000 miles between oil changes with synthetic. Oil companies love to sell you on extended drain intervals. Some bottles even promise 15,000 miles or 1 year between oil changes. Sounds great, right? Fewer oil changes, less hassle, more savings. But here's the dangerous truth. Synthetic oil may last 15,000 miles in perfect conditions, but your engine doesn't live in a lab. You deal with stop-and-go traffic, dusty roads, temperature swings, and short trips where oil never reaches full operating temp. All of those factors contaminate the oil with fuel, moisture, and microscopic metal. Industry experts, including longtime Toyota and Honda mechanics, say the real-world sweet spot is still 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Beyond that, even synthetic starts carrying debris that wears down your engine. Think about the cost difference. Saving $50 on one oil change could lead to a $4,500 timing chain or turbo replacement down the road. Is it worth it? Absolutely not. Bottom line, follow the severe service schedule in your owner's manual. For most US drivers, that means 5,000 miles with full synthetic. Myth number 4. All synthetic oils are the same. Walk into any auto parts store, and you'll see a wall of synthetic oils. Mobil 1, Castrol, Valvoline, Pennzoil, Amsoil, Royal Purple, even store brands. Are they all the same? Number: And using the wrong one can be just as damaging as using conventional. Every modern car is designed with specific viscosity and certification standards. For example, Toyota requires 0W20 API-SN Plus or newer. BMW engines often need oils meeting LL-01 or LL-17 FE specs. Volkswagen requires VW50200 or 50400. If you grab a generic synthetic that doesn't meet those specs, you're risking premature wear, poor fuel economy, and even voided warranty coverage. Expert recommendation: always match the API rating and OEM specification listed in your owner's manual. Don't just buy what's on sale. A $10 savings at the checkout counter can cost you thousands if it damages your engine. Myth number 5. Synthetic oil additives make it even better. This is where the industry makes billions off unsuspecting drivers. Walk down the aisle and you'll see bottles claiming to boost your oil with Teflon, moly, or friction modifiers. Sounds like magic, right? Unfortunately, most of it is snake oil. Here's the insider truth. Quality synthetic oils are already loaded with carefully balanced additives, detergents, anti-wear agents, dispersants, and stabilizers. Adding more can throw that balance off, thickening your oil or weakening its protective film. The American Automobile Association, AAA, ran independent studies and found no added benefit from aftermarket oil additives in modern engines. In some cases, they actually harmed performance. The real benefits of synthetic oil, backed by manufacturers. 1. Better cold start protection. On a winter morning, conventional oil thickens like honey. It takes seconds to reach the top of your engine, and during those seconds, your pistons and bearings grind against each other nearly dry. That's why up to 80% of engine wear happens at startup. Synthetic oil flows faster, even at sub-zero temps. In fact, studies by Mobil 1 and Pennzoil show synthetic oil can pump up to the valve train in under 1 second, compared to 5 to 10 seconds with conventional. That's years of wear prevented every single morning you turn the key. Second, superior heat resistance. Engines today aren't gentle. Turbos, hybrid systems, stop-start technology, they all push oil to its limits. Conventional oils start oxidizing and forming deposits around 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Synthetic oils, they remain stable well past 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why every high-performance engine, from a BMW M3 to a Toyota GR Supra, comes factory-filled with synthetic. Automakers know reliability depends on it. Third, cleaner engines. Synthetic oils are designed with powerful detergents that fight sludge. Conventional oils leave behind carbon that cakes inside your valve cover and oil passages. Synthetic keeps those areas clean, which means better fuel economy, smoother idling, and fewer costly breakdowns. Mechanics who've opened engines at 150,000 miles can tell instantly who used synthetic and who didn't. 4. Longer engine life. This is the ultimate benefit. Properly maintained, an engine on synthetic oil can easily hit 250,000 to 300,000 miles. There are countless stories of Toyota Camrys, Honda Civics, and even turbocharged Subarus hitting those numbers because their owners stayed loyal to synthetic oil changes at 5,000 to 7,500 miles. The bonus secret: certified oils, and the $3,000 mistake. Here's the part most drivers never hear, but it's one of the most expensive mistakes you can make. Not every bottle labeled synthetic is actually certified for your car. Some meet generic SAE standards, but not the strict OEM specs that automakers demand. For example, using non-certified oil in a Volkswagen or Audi can trigger timing chain tensioner wear, leading to a $3,000 to $5,000 repair. In Hyundai and Kia turbo engines, uncertified oil leads to varnish buildup that ruins the turbo bearings. A new turbo, around $2,500. Even in Toyota and Honda hybrids, using the wrong oil grade can cut fuel economy by 5 to 10% and trigger costly hybrid system faults. The fix is simple. Always check the back label for the API donut and the OM certification. It should say things like API-SP, ILSAC GF6, Dexos 1 Gen 3, VW50400, or MB229.5. If it doesn't, don't pour it into your engine. Here's something most drivers don't realize. Manufacturers are now pushing ultra-low viscosities like 0W16 and even 0W8. Why? Fuel economy. Thin oils reduce drag inside the engine, helping cars meet stricter emission standards. Toyota already recommends 0W16 for some models, and Honda is testing 0W8 in hybrids. But here's the risk. These thinner oils leave zero margin for error. If you use a cheap or uncertified version, your engine could lose oil pressure under heavy load. Experts suggest sticking strictly to OEM-approved brands when using ultra-low viscosities. Don't cut corners here. Your engine depends on it. Let's pause. Imagine two identical cars. One owner follows 15,000-mile intervals with bargain oil. The other changes synthetic every 5,000 miles with certified oil. Fast forward 10 years. The first owner faces engine sludge, poor fuel economy, and maybe a $5,000 rebuild. The second, their car still runs smoothly, worth thousands more on resale, and has saved them money at every step. Which driver do you want to be? This is why so many veteran mechanics say oil is cheap, engines are not. So now you know the truth about synthetic oil. It doesn't cause leaks. It just reveals existing ones. It's not all the same. Certifications matter. Extended drain intervals are marketing hype, not reality. And when used properly, it can make your engine last 2 or even 3 times longer.